N4LEM.
N4LEM from 9588. Good afternoon, Raymond. Handle here is Tower Delta Alpha Victor Oscar Romeo. Euro 59 plus 20. Solid 5 plus 920 plus 20. Very nice signal. Very good audio. So how do you copy N4LEM from 9588?
On that last transmission, Devore, you were over S9, almost 10 dB on a peak. It didn't stay there, but it went up to 10 and then came back down a little bit. So I'm running a very old Collins rig here with an old Collins antenna, Devore. Everything is old, even the operator. And my microphone is a broadcast studio microphone, Electro Voice RE20, Devore. So you have a very nice signal, good audio, very nice, strong audio, Devore. 9 Alpha 5 Alpha Delta Hotel from N4LEM.
Okay, Raymond. You are now almost 5 9 plus 30. I'm seeing the band. It seems to be very good. Here is the Fox Tango 2000, about 400 watts and AC5 from Hell Sound, and built-in parametric equalizer. I was playing around with the settings before a few days ago, and this is what you hear. Okay, my friend, I will not bother so many stations calling, so thank you very much for this nice contact, and your card will be issued via the bureau. N4LEM from 9588, 71st into Florida.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, I wouldn't touch anything that you've been adjusting, Devore. It sounds absolutely great. I have an all transistorized radio here. This particular Collins is the HF80 line of Collins radio. It was made in the 1980s, well, late 70s, early 80s. But I have one tube in the whole system, and that is a 12AX7. The microphone goes into a 12AX7, and it amplifies it up to 600 ohms impedance, and then we take the line output of the preamplifier, the tube preamplifier, and go into the line input of the Collins exciter. So I have one tube, Devore, and no equalization. It's just whatever the radio filtering has, that's what we have. All right, my friend, 7-3, been a pleasure. And again, excellent audio from your setup. It really sounds like you have it adjusted just right. 7-3, much DX, 9 Alpha 5 Alpha Delta Hotel from November 4 Lima Echo Mike.
71st way, and you have also very nice audio like AM broadcast station. Hi. By 73 is enjoying 20 meters.
Okay, you were 25 to 30 dB over on that last transmission, so the band is getting real good.
Can you test your angle of antenna? I think that angle is very good. I didn't test anyone with possibility to take off angle changing.
Well, the only thing I can tell you about the takeoff angles is the Collins manual that came with the antenna says that on 20 meters it has 5 takeoff angles. So it's one wavelength above ground. The ground is saturated with copper. It is an incredible installation, Devore. I have 140, that's 140 ground rods that go down a minimum of 40 feet, penetrating 2 aquifers here in the state of Florida, most of which are salt water. And then so I've got this great ground system, the antenna 1 wavelength above ground, the antenna itself with 14 dB of gain. We feed everything with hard lines. There's just no loss. It's absolutely incredible. And our resistance to ground here at this location, Devore, is 0.24 ohms. Almost incredible. Anyway, take a look on the website for QRZ. You'll see a picture of the antenna, and I hope to have more pictures in a few weeks showing the rigs and the other antennas on the property. And a 9 Alpha 5 Alpha Delta Hotel from N4LEM.
Yes, I'm seeing this antenna on. I'm not sure is that antenna. I see one log periodic on Kaiser.com. So okay, I will see other antennas and on the Google Earth. Mr. Antifreeze, thank you for a big explanation, and hope to see you again on some other band. N4LEM from 95 ADH, clear.
Bye bye now, 7-3.
Equal Alpha 7 Alpha Q, equal America 7 America Q.
Okay, K2Q and you, of course, you're louder than everybody.